Hello everyone, and today we will be treating the vowel sound R, the long R. So how do we pronounce the long R sound? It's actually the same way you would pronounce the short version, just that you have to make it long. It's a long vowel sound. Just lengthen the duration and you'll be all right. So make sure your lips are rounded with your mouth open and make sure the tip of your tongue touches the gum below the incisors and let the sound out, just like we did in the last video. Oh, oh, lengthen it a little bit, and that's all. So what are the spelling patterns we should be looking out for? And just for the record, in this video, we will be using the British pronunciation for this sound. And obviously, you all know that the Americans will always pronounce the R. So in this video, we will not be pronouncing the R in all the examples. So let's just keep that in mind. So again, the first one is OR, as in orb, retort, port, sort, mortgage. Next on the list is OUR, as in for, and God. The next is OAR, as in saw, bore, and raw. And here is an interesting one, AL, as in talk, walk, stalk. The L is not pronounced. Talk, walk, and stalk. The next one is ORE, as in saw, awe, gore, more, bore. Next on the list is AR, as in war, ward, bulwark. And the very last is AW, as in dawn, lawn, and gnaw. And for the personal practice, we have awe, mourn, court, mortify, call, tore, order, ordinance, warlock, law, organ, raw, jaw, orbital, torture, shore, pause, score, board, short, paw, horse, orchard, scorn, portal, portion, chainsaw, brawl, brawn, spore, orchid, ordain, abort, pork, yaw, warning, warts, thaw, yawn, guffaw, form. And here comes the bonus box. And for those who didn't see this coming, we have three different spelling patterns today in the bonus box. So the first one is AU, as in autumn, nausea, autism. The next one is OUGH, as in ought, not, and fought. And the very last one is OOR, as in paw and door. And finally, here is a thing to keep in mind. Like just about every other long vowel sound, the R sound is represented primarily by two or more letters in whatever word it occurs, apart from some cases in American English where the short O does not exist, as in gone and gone. The Americans will not pronounce it as the short O, so it will be O. So take note of that. All right, people, thank you very much for watching the video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, comment, and click on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime we have a new upload. And see you next time.